What is up, Faith family? It is your girl, Faith. Back again with another video. I have my twin here. We are doing a Wendy's mukbang, whatever the hell y'all call it. Got our fries. We've been eating some of them, so they may look a little empty. I'm going to show y'all our food, because I've seen a lot of people do this. Got me a nugget. Got a 4 for $4. 4 nuggets in here. Y'all come through. Oh, my fries are sweets. We got a junior bacon.
Yep.
Cheeseburger. We got some barbecue sauce.
Got my nuggets.
And y'all know how the fries fall out there at the bottom of the bag. So we're about to have a couple conversations and talk about life and all that good stuff. Why the hell are my burgers?
We're gonna talk about the British. I was in science class today.
Go ahead.
And we were talking about the British and who won the British War between the British and the Indian War. And the British won and actually took over some of the colonies. Took over Canada. They still got...
Y'all, I'm not in school no more, so I can't tell whether he's telling the truth or not. So y'all comment down below if he's for real.
The British won the war and took most of the stuff. They took Canada and they took some other stuff. You hear me? That sauce right there. But yeah, y'all, I got all good grades. The only bad grade I had was a D and 1 F.
My little brother is very smart. If you guys haven't noticed, I put him on my Instagram a lot. Follow him on his Instagram. I'm going to put it down below in the description. I have him on Snapchat, all his social media, all that good stuff. I hate tomatoes and lettuce on anything that I eat, so I'll eat a little bit of lettuce, but it has to be light lettuce. It can't be like heavy lettuce. Because I'm a silly rabbit. Tricks are for kids. Pause. I quit.
I said that during practice. They made me do 5 hills. Coach said, go ahead. I'm going to give you tricks for kids on the hill. I said, okay, what that mean? He said, go hit the hill. I said, okay. I'm like, Kevin Hart, what did you say?
Right.
What do you mean? Tell him I'll go hit the hill. I had to do 5 hills, 75 push-ups because I swore on accident.
There was no accident. He be cussing all the time.
I told my friend Amadi, he talking about because we was doing hill 500. Not 500. What is it called? With everybody be in a group and you got to catch the ball when it's in the air. Jack in the box, something like that.
It's a football thing. Y'all comment down below if y'all know what he's talking about.
Y'all gotta be knowing what I'm talking about. It's something like that. But yeah, we was playing that and my friend said, why you ain't catch the ball? And he's an African. So I said, shut your black A up, and they heard me. And for every letter in a cuss word is 25 push-ups. So ASS is 75. The B word is 125. And yeah. My friend said
they need to teach y'all how to quit cussing.
They cuss themselves.
I ain't even cuss at your age. I started cussing when I was a freshman in high school.
You know you cussed.
You right.
Yeah. Especially in middle school. You know you cuss. Yeah, son.
Not as bad as you do.
I don't cuss badly.
I would cuss when I'm pissed.
I cuss once a day.
Somebody lied.
Once a day. I promise you, once a day. Well, probably twice.
You guys can tell, I did a reaction in his room before. This is his room, as you can tell. This is the boys' room. But let's talk about American Idol.
I'm gonna make it.
So far in the competition, I am in the top 20. Tomorrow is my first performance on the stage, live, singing live, getting the crowd hyped, stuff like that. And then they will be eliminating people tomorrow night as well. So pray that I'm in the top 10, y'all, because God knows I'm trying to make it. If you have not seen my interview yet of me shouting out my mom, sending love to all my supporters and stuff like that, go check it out on my Instagram. We going all the way, y'all, so let's pray we make it to the finale and we win that thing. You heard. But this is more like American Idol from Michigan. So just to correct a couple of y'all on that y'all thought that it was going to be in the actual one. I am, but we got to wait for that. So the lemonade don't normally taste like this. This tastes like ass. I don't like this. I don't like this. This tastes funny. It good though. It tastes funny though. His was nasty too, and he had the strawberry one, and you know they strawberry lemonade be banging, but for some reason they let my man's down. He started drinking and was like,
They let the starving African get it down.
"Can you stop?" Ignore his ignorant comments, y'all. He's still young.
Ugh, they gave me. Ugh, I can already see
He's
it.
literally 13 years old, so
14.
don't come after him in the comments.
Don't come after me because I have jokes. My jokes are funny. Just letting you know.
No, ignore my little brother. He don't like tomatoes either.
First of all, I'm not no rabbit. Second of
that
all,
big ass piece of
I'm
lettuce
not
on
no
his
guinea
sandwich.
pig.
He upset. He frustrated.
Oh, God.
Make sure you dip, and if it's your sauce, double dip if you feel like it.
Yeah, I ain't get no sleep because...
No, guys, we did pay for all of this food.
Guess what, guys? You know what you guys go do? Hopefully.
I apologize in advance, y'all.
I made up that word.
So what's up with you and the girlfriend scene? What's poppin'?
I have a lot of them. I just broke up with one couple days ago.
AJ, I have almost 20,000 subscribers. You cannot say that.
I'm pretty sure you just broke up
Girls,
with
do not
girlfriend.
be going in my 13-year-old brother's DMs. Do not be talking to him on Instagram. It's okay to follow him, but do not talk to him.
I have a password on my phone so they can get my phone away.
AJ, that's not the case. I'm saying like DM, like it's direct message, like inboxing on Facebook, but except it's on Instagram.
I almost got a freshman. Her name was Jasmine. She was like a Latino, but she lived all the way in Texas, like in the middle of Texas.
But I ain't gonna lie, I felt like I couldn't do long distance for my entire life.
Dang, your little plate clear. You just ate everything again.
No, that's because I got the burger in my hands. I set the burger down, it's gonna be full.
Where my... Oh.
But,
Did you put your gum on my...
oh, y'all mean that was mine. It had the same thing on this bag, so I thought it was... My bad. Okay.
Y'all pray for her. She the ones that need prayer.
What? No, y'all. My little brother is the one I need prayer. But I
At
need
least I
prayer
can
too.
admit it.
I need prayer too.
Oh, no.
I admitted it. That's the first step, right? First
I
step to
got
your
some shoe game.
first step to your problem is admitting your problems, right? He trying to get his shoe collection up like me. Because he into shoes just as much as I am.
I dress like nerds and I dress like black boys too.
We're technically twins. We just wasn't born on the same day. I think I was supposed to have a twin,
I
actually.
got Levi's.
Why you want to do? Why is this the time? You got food in your hand. Put your nasty shoe down. Stop.
Is this my wallet? Wow. And my ID is right here. Piss. Thank you. Mom, watch on me.
Y'all excuse my mama.
Thank you.
He don't know how to watch his mouth, so that's why she yelled, "Watch your mouth."
Wait. Is this from last year?
No, this is from when you was little, AJ, like in the 6th grade.
It says 007.
No, you were in the 6th grade. Oh, that can't be last year. Is it last year? You look two. You look completely different from this picture, boy.
You better not zoom in.
Why couldn't I zoom in?
Y'all see, I got tonight. So I call these the purple grape Valentine shoes.
Can you put your shoes down? You have food in your hand.
Not like I'm touching the food.
Excuse me if y'all hear me smacking. I don't care.
Y'all ever meet her and y'all go to a mall and a restaurant? You go hear her every second.
I can't help it. If it's not that bad in your opinion, comment down below with my smacking.
And then when
ain't
you
that
say
bad.
stop smacking, she be like, why?
Cause it don't be that bad. People be like getting irritated over this.
You don't smack like that. You be like,
Did you just flame me?
I did just flame me. We should have a flaming session.
It's on and popping. Y'all got one more burger left, but I can't finish it because I'm full. So I most definitely hold off on that burger and these fries until
We gotta hurry up for the Nerf gun war.
yeah, we're about to have a Nerf gun war in the living room. So hopefully my mom and my sister don't get mad.
They both short. Don't worry.
Oh, they are, but they're very strong. So y'all see, my brother got a lot of these.
A lot of them. Sorry, I'm gonna be honest. I did not pay for them.
Really? Why can't you just be quiet? Know when to say certain stuff.
That's positive.
That's not positive. What you just let everybody know you be stealing these.
They fidget spinners.
Oh my god. Yeah, I apologize. I'm about to end this video.
Come on, let's have a flaming session real quick.
Okay, go ahead.
Look like a mini refrigerator.
AJ, you look like this barbecue sauce, whatever's left in it.
At least
Mom, we're still making the video. What? What?
Dude, you flinging your hair all over my food.
My bad. I'm trying to see if she don't want something.
Well, stop doing this.
Anyways. On your head.
You
Beetlejuice. Mike stand, look at that. You look like that Under Armour box. You look like a black dress shirt. Nigga, you look like... Nigga, you look like 12 after midnight.
Oh, under the sheet here.
Nigga, you look like under the bed. You at night.
You look like Future's past.
You look like something off of Monsters Inc. Shut your ass up, I'm on your ass. You look like you could have played pro ball when they had booty shorts back in the day. You look
like you wear extra small bra. You look...
Your legs look like if you rub them together, you can make fire. Stick ass legs. I'm on your feet.
My legs are stronger than hers, just to let y'all know.
That's because this nigga work out on a daily basis. That ain't fair. Y'all know I ain't hit the gym since Adam. So, that ain't fair. I'm on your elbows.
I'm on your double elbows.
Well, I ain't got no double elbows.
Yes, you do.
No, you got them cooking grease elbows.
You look like you do this. Be like, what's up, bro? What up? And you like you box with your elbows.
That was whack. I'm on your eyeballs. Looking like dude with the one eyeball from Monsters Inc.
At least he got money. Shut up.
No, nigga. That's a character. Okay, the character got money.
Exactly.
So,
everybody, y'all say that I look like me. That's why you look like Black Iron Man's sister if he had one. You look like...
That's why you look like the Venom Spider-Man.
You look like Sandy.
Y'all, I don't know who he talking about, but I'm about to end this because he done went too far. I love y'all. Shout out to the Faye family. If y'all love this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Comment down below if y'all want more mukbangs from me and my little brother.
She walked like she steal people's candy and then help them look for it.
One more burger, fries left. Hit my line if y'all want this. AJ look like this barbecue sauce. But
and
we
she
gonna
built
go.
like it.
AJ, you built like my tripod. Anyway, I'll see y'all
That's
later.
why you paid for that $5 tripod.
And it was cheap.
Exactly.
Anyway, I will see y'all later. I love y'all. Faith family, hashtag that up in the comments. I love y'all. Send love my way. Follow us on. Well, follow me on my social media _Faith Jones. Follow him at Alex Jones. What?
Alexander Jones.
What? Don't you have like numbers again?
Alexander Jones. Hashtag Alexander Jones.
I'm gonna put it down below in the description.